Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add, resolve, and delete comments in Google Sheets. Comments are incredibly useful when you're collaborating with team members or leaving notes for yourself about specific data points. So let's walk through this together. First, open your browser and head over to workspace.google.com. Once you're there, log into your Google Workspace account using your credentials. This will bring you to your Workspace dashboard where you can access all your Google applications and files. From the dashboard, locate and click on the spreadsheet where you want to work with comments. This will open your Google Sheet in a new window, giving you full access to all the cells and data within that document. Let's start by adding a comment. Navigate to the specific cell where you want to leave a comment. Right-click on that cell, and from the context menu that appears, click on Comment. This opens up a comment box directly attached to that cell. Type your comment into the text field, whether it's a question, a note about the data, or feedback for a colleague. Once you've written your message, click the comment button to post it. The comment is now attached to that cell, and anyone with access to the sheet can see it. Now let's move on to resolving comments. When a comment has been addressed or is no longer relevant, you'll want to mark it as resolved rather than deleting it immediately. At the top of your screen, look for the comment icon. It typically appears in the toolbar area. Click this icon to display all the comments that exist in your spreadsheet. This view makes it easy to manage multiple comments at once. From the list of comments, click on the specific comment you want to resolve. You'll notice a check icon appears next to the comment. Click that check icon, and the comment will be marked as resolved. Resolved comments are still saved in your Sheet's history, but won't clutter your active workspace, keeping everything organized. Finally, let's delete a comment entirely. If you need to permanently remove a comment from your sheet, locate the comment either through the comment icon at the top or by clicking directly on the cell that contains it. Next to the comment text, you'll see three dots. Click on those three dots to reveal a menu of options. From this menu, select Delete. Google Sheets will show you a confirmation message to make sure you really want to delete the comment. Click Delete again to confirm, and the comment will be permanently removed from your spreadsheet. And that's it. You now know how to add, resolve, and delete comments in Google Sheets, making collaboration smoother and your workflow more organized. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.